horrible. It's horrible. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? 4 codes. Catalyst system with low efficiency. 430, 420. Whole cat system. All right, so I came to the local parts store and I bought 2 cats for this 2013 King Shit Ford truck. And here's one. This is a nice one. $1,000 for 2 cats. And the other one, it's a fucking rock in a box. What the fuck? Somebody's not doing their job. I already have cut off the truck, so I guess we get to wait or drive it like a tractor. I think the customer will appreciate a tractor. You ever had that feeling somebody might have stole your cats? '96 Land Rover. Gotta be the dumbest lug nuts I've ever seen. 1 1/16. Look at this fucking thing. Holy crap. New cat system on the King Ranch. This side looks good. Check the other side. Also looks good. Let's see how she does after a week. Make sure she's not throwing any more catalyst codes. Make sure the wires aren't touching nothing. Looks good. Good. That new cat smell. You smell it? Can you smell it? I can smell it. I think that's past the point of legal. And bald as fuck. Wow. What the fuck happened to the day? Oh my god, what happened to the day? I think it's snow. It was so nice out like half an hour ago. I don't know what the hell this is. Well, at least I'm not on the ground anymore. Let's get back to work. So I just did the intake manifold on this Buick LeSabre. It wasn't too bad. It was leaking coolant and oil into the intake. But before I did that, I had to park my car here. And before I did that, I had to move this garbage truck out of the way so that I could park here. And just moving it from here to here, I felt like I was gonna fucking die. Just like horrible. Thought I was gonna catch on fire. It just scared me. Oh my god, we're all gonna die! Oh, we're gonna die! Of some diseases. This is nasty. Fuck. Nasty. Gross. There's shit inside the display. In there. Gross. It's just an amazing machine with too much horsepower. Just almost flew out in the middle of the road. Oh, Jesus Christ. I actually have to drive it again. Fuck me. I'm gonna die! Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die! We'll be together. No, we won't. It's horrible. It's horrible. No, I don't want to drive this goddamn garbage truck. No, I want to drive it off a cliff. Fuck this Prius. Hell no. No. Catching on fire.